All right, so this is Thursday's homework. I have no idea what the date is. I think it's the 23rd, but I could be wrong. All right, let's see. I need to pick 3. I just need them to be on the debate team, so that's combination, okay? Because the order, it just doesn't matter. So 12 factorial over 12 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. This is 9 factorial, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, divided by 12 is 2. 2 times 11 is 22 with a 0, 222 ways. 12 student, I need to pick someone who's strong in English and history, so now it matters. So 12P, let's see. Oh, strong in math, English, and history. So now it's 12P3. 12 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial, oop, no, just kidding. 12 minus 3 factorial, and that's it. That's really 9 factorial. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 12 times 11 is 132 with a 0. So this time there's 1,320 ways. All right, 3 numbers are randomly picked. And the same number can be picked, okay? So that's independent. What is the probability that all of them are greater than 16? Greater than 16, greater than 16, greater than 16. So let's see. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, I knew it was 10, but just double checking. Greater than 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 4. 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. 2 fifths. 2 fifths. 2 fifths. 2 times 2 times 2, 8. 5 cubed is 125. Okay. Now it's saying the same number can't be picked twice. So first guy is independent, greater than 16. But let's say I picked the number 17. Now suddenly I can't use 17 anymore. All that's left is 18, 19, and 20. Now I have 3 numbers. But I don't even have 10 numbers anymore because I started with 17, so now I have 9 numbers. And let's say now I pick 18. All that's left is those 2 numbers, and I don't have 17 or 18, so I only have 8 numbers left. Simplify, 1/3, 1/4. Those 4s are canceled, 1/30. Okay. All right, go to the next page. Thinking of a 3-digit number. Second digit is a 0, okay? And digits are 0 through 9, so you've got 10 options for that. So there's a 1 out of 10 chance that I'll get the 0, okay? The first digit is even, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0 isn't considered an even number. So that would be 4 out of 10. And let's see. And the last digit is odd. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 10. What's the probability that you'll guess the number? 1 out of 2. 2 out of 5. 2 on top. Over. Wait, did I mess up? Oh, wait, those 2 can cancel. So 1 over 50. Okay. I'm holding a coin, which has heads and tails, so 2 options. And I'm holding 2 dice. So a dice and a dice, that means I have 6 options. What is the probability that the coin will land on heads, 50% shot, and each of the dice will not be a 6? So if it's not a 6, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 times 5 times 5, 25. And this is 72. Okay. I have 8 pink and 3 yellow. What is the probability that I'll pick a pink? 8 over 11. What is the probability that I will pick 2 pink highlighters in a row? This is a little confusing because I didn't say if you put it back or didn't put it back. So let's say we don't put it back. Because realistically, once you pick one, you don't put it back. So the first would be 8 over 11 because that's the first thing. The second one is now I picked a pink, so now I only have 7 left out of 10. 4 over 5, 28 over 55. This one I'm actually putting it back, so it's independent. What happens here doesn't matter because it's like it never happened. Whoever guesses the license plate for that card will win. They give some hints, don't get a chance. The order goes letter, letter, number, letter. You can't repeat it. what is the probability that I will guess the license plates? There's a 1 out of something chance. So using the fundamental accounting principle, there's 26 letters to pick one. But once I pick that letter, I can't pick it again. And once I pick that letter, I can't pick it again. And then how many digits there are? There are 10. So 26 times 25 times 24 times 10. 156000. Okay. If I just wanted to know how many ways, that would be the answer. But since it says probability, there's only one way to win. What's the probability to pick an I? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 out of 11. Hopefully I counted that right. All right. A red marble is chosen and replaced. So let's hold on. Red, 3, 10, 15, 17. So red is picked, put back. And now a green is picked. How many greens? 5 out of 17. 3 times 5 is 15. 17 squared, I think, is 289. Okay. This time a yellow is picked. 7 out of 17. And it's not replaced. So now I don't have 17 marbles anymore. I have 16. And it's a blue marble. How many blues? 2. 1/8. 7, I don't know what 17 times 8 is. 136. Okay. I know I rushed that, but that's your homework.